Hi Cybertruck fans, I'm Ellie with T-sportline, and I have to share with you that I absolutely love the creativity and the vision that our customers have, especially when it comes to two-toning a Cybertruck. Now we've done a few two-tones and those have been really cool, but this one is unlike no other. Take a look at this two-tone wrap by our friends at TMaxx. This is color change PPF. The upper body line, the upper half of the Cybertruck has been wrapped in TMaxx Gloss Hyper Black. Probably our most popular color today, typically doing the whole truck in it. But this customer wanted to two-tone it and have it unlike no other. So on the lower half, as you can see, the main body section, this customer chose a brand new color from TMaxx called Metallic Electric Blue. Now, let's talk about this color. It's got blue tones, it's got some purple tones, it has a really nice subtle metallic look to it when the sun hits it just right. Not too crazy, but it is metallic and it's very unique. I love the way it looks with the black. In certain angles and at night, it might almost all look black or all look kind of electric blue. So what do you guys think? This is definitely a unique two-tone wrap. Do you like it? I'd love to hear some comments below. And if not, we'd like to hear those as well. How would you two-tone your Cybertruck? To finish it all off, the customer chose our 22-inch fully forged gloss black CTM wheels. This is my favorite, but I like the 24s, but there's absolutely nothing wrong with taking it one size down to 22-inch. It's a really good look. You get a little bit more of that sidewall tire, and these Falcon Wild Peak all-terrain tires are perfect for the Cybertruck. So that's actually a really good look as well, a little bit better ride quality. But at the end of the day, I'm all about 24s on my Cybertruck. What do you guys think? Do you prefer the 22-inch setup, or do you think the 24s look better? What would you put on yours? I love hearing from you guys, so please share some more comments down below. This truck is all done. It's ready to go home to its customer. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already. We have so many more amazing videos coming your way soon.